New information tonight in the case of a Dillsboro teenager accused in a triple fatal crash in Ripley County.
One of the victim's mothers claims it wasn't the first time that the young man had driven at high rates of speed. 9 on Your Side reporter Tom McKee is live in Versailles with details of this startling disclosure. Tom?
Well, Carol, this document accuses 17-year-old Thomas Crawford of delinquency for driving more than 80 miles an hour, allegedly, before that fatal crash. But the mother of Jacob Vogel, Ann Vogel, one of the victims, says it wasn't the first time he'd driven that fast. He got a ticket for speeding of 85 miles an hour through Versailles in February, and on the morning of the fatal crash, had a near miss.
That the judge does the right thing and makes this stick that says, a very strong statement that says we will not tolerate this kind of behavior in Ripley County from any driver.
Ann Vogel reacted strongly Thursday to news that Thomas Crawford is accused of reckless driving and reckless homicide in the March 7th Ripley County accident that killed her son Jacob, along with Samantha Hanson and Timothy Bowman.
You know, when people ask if there's anything to do, I say pray for us.
Ripley County prosecutor Rick Hurdle says filing the charges was a difficult decision that half the community may like and the other half may hate.
Given that Thomas Crawford is a juvenile, we felt that these were most appropriate given the circumstances, facts, and evidence that was presented to us.
Vogel made a surprise revelation to me during our interview. She says on the morning of March 7th, Crawford's truck nearly hit a school bus picking up children.
I have a written statement to the state police by a Jacksonville school bus driver. He was going sideways towards her bus while she was picking up children. Almost hit her. She felt compelled to move to the side of the road to avoid collision.
The fatal crash occurred 2.5 hours later, claiming the life of her son, who wanted to be a farmer and firefighter.
He was a good kid.
Now Vogel waits for a June 6th court hearing, hoping she doesn't come face-to-face with Crawford.
I wouldn't say anything. I'd turn around and walk away. Because saying nothing would be better than saying something I might regret in 10 years. You know, right now I'm not in a place for forgiveness.
Now, I've double-checked with Indiana State Police, and there were no criminal charges, no charges at all filed in connection with that near miss. Now, Vogel has another son who's in the military who has just left for Afghanistan. Now, Crawford's case is going to be here in juvenile court in Ripley County. If he's judged to be delinquent, punishment could include incarceration in a juvenile facility, losing his driver's license, or community service. Tom McKee, 9 on Your Side, live in Versailles, Indiana.